Hey guys, welcome back to Kimber Toys. Today I have this Lego Junior set for you. It's extra easy to build because it's also recommended for the age 4 to 7 and the set has the number 10720. It's a Lego city set and included are a helicopter, policeman, this is a robot, an ATM. Well, I think that's it, and let's take a look on the back side of the box. This is pretty cool actually, and it's extra with a little bit simpler instructions, and that's how it looks like. I would say let's open the set and see what's inside. So guys, this is what we got. This is the instruction. It's pretty easy to read. Actually, you don't have to read at all. They are only pictures, what we have to do, etc. And we got also the helicopter, 2 packs of Lego figures and bricks, one with a little bit bigger pieces and this is very small pieces. And I would say let's build it up and speed this video up. Well, this is the set we got and we have such a nice helicopter. It's a police helicopter with all the police signs on both sides of the helicopter, and the helicopter has also these rotor blades which are pretty cool working. And actually I was expecting them to be the same length, but well, maybe it doesn't have to be like this. And our helicopter has also a flashlight and a windshield which you can just open and put your policeman inside. Okay, you can close it. And on this side, the policeman is keeping his walkie-talkie and his handcuffs. And on the back, you can also open the helicopter. Pretty cool actually, and pretty big. So, and this is our policeman. He's wearing a blue uniform. This is how he looks like at the back. You see, it's written police. And he has a black helmet, also with a windshield which you can move up and down. Open, closed. And of course he can move his arms and his hands, and of course also his legs, just like this. So let's put him into the helicopter. So this is our ATM. It's pretty cool and very nice, well done. And look what happens when I open it. Inside you have a lot of banknotes. Oops. So if you are not playing with the set, just put them inside so you can keep them there and don't lose them. So, and this here is our figure of the bank robber who is going and trying to break up the ATM. He's holding a crowbar and of course the stolen money in his hand. And this is how he looks like from the back. Pretty cool. Do you see his face? I'm angry. And of course he has a bag full of stolen goods he's wearing around. Yeah. So actually I like this set pretty much because if you have some fantasy you can play a lot of different stories with this set. Look at it, it's just cool. Well, I like it. Hope you like my video. If so, please subscribe down there, and if you don't like it, well, subscribe anyway, it's free. Bye bye, see you in my next video, guys.